All right, so here we go. Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith Eddy, installed a brand new cylinder with the outdoor outside lever housing. It is now locked up, all set up, ready to go. And we are right here at MD Clinic, down here. Locksmith Eddy, Pembroke Pines, as things are going to town. From Melbourne to Miami Beach, Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith Eddy is your one-stop shop. The Lockstar, that's right, the Lockstar, the little superstar Locksmith Eddy, right here, right now. Pembroke Pines as MD now, town to town, city to city, growing with approximately 83 to 85 stores throughout South Florida and growing. So pick up that phone, 561-693-8636. Mr. Sunshine, the Lockstar superstar, right here, 24 hours, 7 days a week.